Okay, students, our question is, so nitronaphthalene on treating with the tin and HCl followed by permanganate, we are going to get X. And the same nitronaphthalene treating with permanganate, complete oxidation, you are going to get Y. Predict X and Y in the reaction. So here we have aniline. So with the nitro group over here, treating with tin and HCl. As we know that tin is a good reducing agent. So a reduction takes place and NO2 is converted into NH2. Okay. Next, oxidation takes place with the permanganate. So when oxidation takes place, as you know that, so we are going to get NH2 here, COOH and COOH. So this is a product form. The next one, so X is this one, NH2 and COH. Where what about Y? So same thing, complete oxidation, KMNO4 oxidation they asked. So here nitro group is there, it doesn't alter. So here, so it is also benzene ring here COOH and here also COOH group. So two COH group is there and naphthalene group is there. So therefore, one is COH groups with NH2, another one two benzene ring with two COH group. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer for above question.